you for watching over me. All of the sleepless nights you lay awake. Thank you for knowing when to hold me close and when to let me go. Thank you for every stepping stone and for the path that always leads me home. I thank you for the time you took to see the heart inside of me. You gave me the roots to start this life, and then you gave me wings to fly, and I learned to dream because you believed in me. There's no power like it on this earth, no treasure equal to its worth.
Ito man po din niya galing ma'am, hindi mo mga pa-surprise. May idea ka man po din niya galing. Galing mo mga patuloy. Bayan natin, kulit-ara mang kami mo mga pagkana na message. Kabay pa, natawaan tao pa, kamalawig na kabumi. Dahil kang atin mahal na Ginoo. Kaya lang kami, kapalangga kami mo, mga batang mo, mga apo, kagapo sa tuhod. Enjoy mo lang birthday mo. Alang gini ka for me. God bless. Love, Kulin. Happy birthday, ma'am. Ikaw na lang mga bata. Ano yung mga sa batang mo?
Salamat ka dyan. Isang magpinaanong plangga. Ako na po yung bata. Sabay. Plangga. Salamat po. Sa bata. Amurang magkabalaka ka naman.
Okay na. Thank you. Happy birthday din, Nana. God bless.
You gave me the roots to start this life, and then you gave me wings to fly, and I learned to dream because you